Everyone's talking about AI literacy, but what does that actually mean? Is it coding? Is it using ChatGPT? Or is it something deeper? I'm Cynthia, and this is SynthiaTek, where we break down artificial intelligence without the jargon. Today, we're unpacking what AI literacy really means and why it might be one of the most important skills of our time. Let's clear this up first. AI literacy does not mean learning to program. It doesn't mean becoming an engineer or data scientist. AI literacy is about understanding how AI affects your life, even if you never build it. At its core, AI literacy is made of 4 key ideas. First, understanding how AI learns. AI is trained on data. That data shapes what it knows and what it misses. Second, knowing AI has limits. AI predicts patterns. It doesn't truly understand meaning or context. Third, recognizing bias and risk. If the data is biased, the AI can be too. Fourth, using AI responsibly. Knowing when to trust AI and when to question it. When people don't understand AI, they're more likely to believe false information, overtrust AI decisions, or feel powerless around technology. AI literacy gives people agency. It turns users into informed participants. In the same way we teach media literacy or financial literacy, AI literacy is becoming a civic skill. It helps people vote, work, create, and communicate in an AI-shaped world. It's not about controlling AI. It's about understanding your relationship with it. So what does AI literacy really mean? It means knowing enough to ask the right questions, enough to spot problems, and enough to stay human in a digital world. If you want to build that understanding, subscribe to SynthiaTek. We're learning the future together.